I used to spend 10 hours a day delivering food, waiting for orders that never came, searching for apartment numbers in the dark, getting paid less every single month while fuel prices kept climbing. Then one day, I sat down and did the math, and I realized something that made me sick. I was basically working for free. So I quit and I replaced it with 3 things that changed everything. Stay with me, because the third one, nobody's talking about it yet. Look, I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm not going to promise you make millions overnight. That is not real life. But I'm going to show you 3 alternatives that actually work. Whether you're in Lagos, Nairobi, Johannesburg, Mumbai, or London. I have tested all of this myself. Some disappointed me badly, but 3 of them, they don't just replace my delivery income. They taught me skills I use forever. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Here is the problem with food delivery in 2026. The apps keep taking bigger calls. More drivers join every day, which means fewer orders for you. And you are destroying your vehicle or bike for money you will never get back. I talked to delivery riders in Nigeria, Kenya, India, and South Africa. Same story everywhere. It used to be good. Now, it's not worth it. But here is what most people miss. That same phone in your pocket, it can connect you to opportunities that pay better and stress you less. Let me prove it. Alternative number 1, micro-task platforms. These are apps that pay you to complete small digital tasks. Things like labeling images, transcribing audio, tagging data, and training AI systems. The biggest one that works globally, remote tasks, Toloka, Clickworker, and Appen. Here is how it works. Big tech companies need humans to train their AI. They can't do it alone, so they pay people like you and me to help from anywhere in the world. Now, let me tell you about Shidi. Shidi is from Lagos. He started doing remote tasks while waiting for his NYC posting. No connections, no special degree, just his phone and consistency. 3 months later, he was earning more than his friends with office jobs. I'm not saying you will get rich, but here is why I love this. You work when you want, no boss, no schedule, and you are learning how AI actually works. That is a skill that will matter for the next 20 years. Solid starting point, but the next one, it pays even better when you know the secret. Quick question, have you tried any of these before? Subscribe and drop a comment right now. Tell me where you're watching from. I read every single one. Okay, this second one, pay close attention. Most people scroll past this and miss the easiest money I have ever made. I'm talking about paid research platforms. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys, those paying nothing. You're right. Most surveys apps are a complete waste of time, but I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about respondents, user interviews, and test bells. This connects you directly with companies that pay serious money for real feedback. Let me give you a real example. Last month, I did a 45-minute video call about my real experience with mobile banking apps. Just talking, sharing my opinion. They paid me $75. One conversation. That is more than I made in 2 full days of delivery. Here is the catch. You won't qualify for every study. They are looking for specific people, but when you do qualify, it's worth the wait. Sign up for multiple platforms. Fill your profile completely. Check daily. Now, the third alternative. This one has the most long-term potential. And honestly, it almost didn't make this video. Alternative number 3. Micro-freelancing. This is the one that actually changed my life. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour let you sell one simple skill to people all over the world. But I don't have any skills. Yes, you do. Can you write in English? That is a skill. Can you edit basic videos on your phone? Skill. Can you translate between 2 languages? Skill. Data entry. Skill. Let me tell you how I started. My first Fiverr gig, I wrote 10 product description for $15. $15. I almost quit right there. Thought it was a waste of time. But that client came back, then referred a friend, then another. 6 months later, that same $15 client had sent me over $2,000 in total work. No hacks, no marketing, just delivering quality, and showing up. And here is the beautiful thing. This works from Lagos, from Nairobi, from Manila, Dhaka, Karachi, Accra, anywhere with internet. You are not just trading time for pennies anymore. You are building something that grows. Now, I know some of you are thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. And you are right. It is work. But here is the difference. Delivery apps will never reward you for being loyal. You will never get a raise for working harder. These platforms, they reward you for getting better. Your reputation grows. Your income grows. The question isn't whether it's hard. The question is, do you want to build something or just survive? Let me break this down one more time. Micro-tax, great for starting. Flexible, builds AI knowledge. Paid research, higher payouts, less predictable, but real money for your opinions. And let's talk about micro-freelancing. Takes longer, but has the highest long-time potential. You don't have to choose just one. I do all three depending on the day. Now tell me, which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. Micro-tax, paid research, or freelancing? I pin the best responses. And if you want to see exactly how I set up my Upwork profile to land my first client in 7 days, I will be dropping videos soonest. That video will save you most of mistakes. Subscribe if you're new, and I see you in the next one. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.